Hey everybody, in this tutorial I will share how to create an audience in Create Studio 3. Keep watching and I will show you how. This is Patrick taking over for Randy. Whoa! With Create Studio 3 tips short. Here is a background of an auditorium and stage. It would be rather boring if I had a speaker but no people in the seats, so let's create an audience. Depending on which background you choose, you may need to create a mask so that this audience appears behind objects. That is the case for this background, so I duplicate the background and use the pen tool to create a mask for the seats. I will round the mask for the seats in the first row. Click on the top background and select Track Matte. In the Track Matte panel, change Mask to Path and change Type to Alpha. It doesn't look like anything has changed, but you will see what this did in a little bit. Rename the track to Mask. In Create Studio 3, there are customizable characters in 3D Creator. Open that up and drag a male character onto the timeline. Click on the Rotate button above the character. With your mouse inside the character's framing, click and drag the mouse to have the character facing away from you. Size the character to match the size of the seats in the auditorium. Okay, one character done. The next step is to duplicate the character and move it to the side of the original. In the top left, ensure you are in Customize mode. You will see these options here. For the seating of this auditorium, we will only need to customize the top and hair and maybe add a hat. So customize those options to make the character look different. Use the Colors panel to change the color of hair and skin. Keep on duplicating characters and change their features for as many men as you want in the audience. Repeat the entire process, but this time, select a woman character. After you have built the number of people you want, then it is a matter of placing them throughout the auditorium. Resize the canvas so you can see all the tracks. Tip! You can click on this hand icon or press the spacebar and drag with your mouse to see the portion of the canvas with the auditorium seating. Make sure the people sitting in the front seats are on the bottom tracks, and people that are in the back seats are on the upper tracks. You will also want to scale up just a little those people in the back seats. Move the mask we built earlier to the top track and lock it. Size the canvas larger and make sure only the upper body shows for each character. At this point, all characters have the idle action, which looks odd if they all move the same way at the same time. So the next step is to add random movements. At different times, give a few people other movements like listening, pointing, shaking hands, sad, and swiping tablet. Some characters can stay with the idle action throughout, but give them motion with animations. For this one, I will choose rotation by adding 2 rotation animations. Click on the second of the 4 keyframes and change the angle by 1%. The second animation will return the character to the original position. Pick another character and add 2 animations. This time, select Character View. Click on the second keyframe and rotate the character to a side view. Continue to add actions or animations to your audience so that they look natural. Do that throughout the length of the presentation, and you will have built an audience that looks amazing. Hey everyone, have a good day and happy creating!